So installing the end caps onto the extrusion, these are the 3D printed end cap pieces. These tend to be pretty snug once they're in, so I like to leave them until the end just to make sure I'm happy with the way everything is going. I would tap these in with a hammer or a mallet. I have a small plastic mallet here, and a few taps like that, and it should sit pretty flush. Gives a really nice finish to each of the open faces. So the 4 on the feet, as well as the open face here. And if you want to try and get in there, you can do the back face here as well. All right, there you have it. All that remains is running our wire.